Yes, we have some breaking news for you because we are going to challenge the question: is the future all about technology? We have the humble opinion that soft skills will make the difference. That is why we are like to have, together with you, a closer look at the 21st century skills, which are critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity, and how to apply those skills to testing.
We will address one challenge per round and we will apply one of the soft skills. And we want to tell you about these challenges, such as the PU is not available and information is not accessible. Another challenge, no clear refinements are done, and the team is not even engaged. And the last challenge, complex situation and lack of knowledge in testing in production, for example. So, what to do?
If you'd like to join us in our workshop on Friday the 16th at 2 o'clock, where we will face the challenges and how to apply soft skills as a tester. See you there!